Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with freelancing, passive income and tech. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to choose an affiliate program, especially when you're a beginner and just starting out. Because let me tell you something, they are not all the same. And it can be so confusing trying to figure it all out. Like, what makes a good affiliate program? Where do you even find affiliate programs? How many should you join? It can be just so overwhelming. So let's keep it simple and get to the good stuff. Let's unravel what makes a good affiliate program and how you can make choices that benefit you and your clients. Just like getting a sales job when you're getting paid commission only, picking an affiliate program is kind of the same. First up, ask yourself, is the program relevant to your niche? You can't just go picking any random affiliate program that has nothing to do with your niche or what you talk about generally. You need to pick a program that slots in nicely and is going to help your clients. Secondly, is the affiliate program doing any active advertising like retargeting ads? If they are, that's a great sign that they have a strong marketing plan and are active. It's not essential, but it's just like a nice added bonus. Next, check if the program provides helpful resources. Are there marketing tutorials? Is there materials, or are there tools to help you? Anything that they can provide in terms of materials will help you understand the affiliate program better and ways to promote it. I find it's great when programs offer like a starter pack just so you don't feel like a deer stuck in headlights. One of the most crucial aspects is the payout structure. How much commission are you earning per sale or action? Are there tiered levels or bonuses for hitting targets? This is one of the big things when it comes to picking an affiliate program. So it's really important to pick affiliate programs based on what you're trying to achieve for yourself and your business. But also remember, it's about helping your clients, so you need to pick stuff that's the best for them. Now let's talk about when you get paid. Is it monthly, bi-weekly, or upon reaching a certain amount? Understanding this timeline is vital for your financial planning. When you are dealing with multiple affiliate programs, they won't all pay at the exact same time. So what I tend to do is I have my Stripe and my PayPal set up so that they will automatically pay into my actual bank account on the 20th of the month, because that's when I do all my tax and banking. That way I'm not getting random payments all over the place and at random times, and it's just easier to do my admin and tax. Lastly, consider how you receive your payments. Is it through PayPal, direct deposit, or another method? Choose what works best for you in terms of convenience and accessibility. Before committing to any affiliate program, carefully review the terms and conditions. Pay attention to clauses regarding payment thresholds, commission rates, exclusivity agreements, and termination policies. All of these elements that you need to look for in an affiliate program, you'll be able to see when you go through the sign-up process. Most likely, there will be some sort of contract or agreement to sign detailing all of these things. There are affiliate programs for every niche. One of the more well-known affiliate programs is Amazon. You can promote all sorts of products, from clothing to household items to drones and so much other really cool stuff. But there are also affiliate programs for online tools like Squarespace, Wix, or my favorite is System.io. There are literally so many different types of affiliate programs that you can join out there, and you will always be able to find something that's in your niche. Finding affiliate programs isn't hard, it just requires the right strategy and a little bit of research. The best places I have found to find affiliate programs as a beginner is to start off with platforms like ClickBank or Impact or PartnerStack. These websites are dedicated to listing affiliate programs, and when you're just getting into affiliate marketing, it's nice to be able to just have a catalog and just to be able to flick through them and filter. I'm sure there are so many more out there, so you can actually just jump on Google and search for affiliate programs or affiliate marketing websites and get started. Like I mentioned before, there are also some big brand names like Amazon that have their own affiliate programs. I found that a lot of affiliate programs that I belong to now, I've actually joined because I've loved the product or tool that I've used in my business, and that's how I've discovered them, and then that's how I've started promoting them. Most companies will actually list their affiliate programs if they have one somewhere on their website. The number one mistake I see people making with affiliate marketing is joining too many programs at once. As a beginner, I recommend not to join more than 5 affiliate programs. Keeping it limited helps to avoid that horrid overwhelm and allows you to focus your time and efforts more effectively. When you concentrate on just a few programs, you can dedicate more attention to promoting them and potentially achieve better results in terms of sales. Let me tell you the easiest way to manage affiliate links as a beginner. The easiest way to manage affiliate links when you are just starting off is to just use a good old Google Sheet. It doesn't need to be complicated, it doesn't need to be hard, you just need to keep it simple. I've got a list of high-paying affiliate programs all ready to go in a Google Sheet for you. And if you want to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, I have my course, How to Make Your First $1,000 in Affiliate Marketing as a Beginner. I take you through all the exact steps that I took to make my first $1,000 in affiliate marketing, and I still practice every single one of these steps to this day. I put the link down below, and I'll see you on the inside. If you enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions below. I answer all my comments, and make sure to check out this video because it's definitely going to help you level up even further.